Oh no, that water need to quit dripping. Y'all hear that? That water need to quit dripping. Or is that really the water? Or is that me? Drip drop. Alright guys, what's up, what's happening baby? Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's your host with the most, the white trash wannabe, the public school prodigy, Paul Cantu, back with an unboxing video. I got a big unboxing from you guys. To me. Thank you, number one. Number two, shit it on them. Nah, number two, man, for real, I appreciate everyone who sent things to my P.O. box and everyone who follows me on Instagram and wished me and my family well. Thank y'all. I usually don't like posting personal stuff, especially about my grandfather's passing, but I needed to pay tribute to him and everything he did fighting in World War II for all freedoms. So that's why I did so. It actually happened last week, but I just felt like, I don't know, like I went through my own grieving process. It felt like posting it the day I did. So yes, thank y'all so much for real. And for everyone dropping comments and shopping on the website. I know there's been a lot of traffic on there this past week for obvious family purposes and reasons. I wasn't working on the website. I just needed time to myself. So I appreciate you guys' patience. It's February, it's Valentine's month, so you guys better find some virtual honey or something if you guys can't go out to the club or you guys just suck at passing personalized notes to your fellow classmates. Now, a lot of you guys aren't in high school, man. Y'all have grown up with me, man. Y'all grown up with me. Y'all my babies. Anyways, yeah. Smash on Valentine's Day and smash the like button. We got a fan flame unboxing and a couple really hyped on items that I dropped way too much money on back in the day that I'm gonna reveal and unveil today as well. So without further ado, let's hop, skip, and jump into package number one. These might be a lot of hats. It is what it is. All right, man. So, y'all already know, we got Trish in the building, yes! And I'm gonna go ahead and crack into this. The reason why I'm doing this unboxing, man, is y'all been asking me for art videos and interior decor videos, and the reason why I've been lagging on that is because my house is a mess, partially because of all these boxes that have never been opened. So it's about damn time I step in for the win and do some unboxing. Look at this. Oh God, guys, look at this. Toss it up, dude. Toss it the fuck up! I did not read this hat before I put it right in front of the camera lens, but it says Kennedy a Space Center, and you have the vintage astronaut trucker hat. Absolute banger. I love the truckers. Look at this. Super clean. Maybe a slight little bit of grandpa's forehead sweat on there. A little nice authentic salt drip from the head pores. That's perfect, man. Perfect. This thing looks really clean. A nice baby blue space cadet, a big white mansion is my habitat. So yeah, I love that little parcel. I think this is actually from one of y'all. This is from Michel Ernesti. Oh, Michel Ernesti, are you Italian? Are you a pepperoni pizza? Oh, ravioli. Dude, that's how you guys know I suck at Italian. I'm just naming foods, acting like I can speak the language. Oh, that's ignorant. Oh, that's ignorant. Oh, and this hat's ignorant as well. This is not from one of you guys. This is another purchase. Another online purchase. Bruh, it's like a zebra on drugs. I'm saucing like a damn Miami Dolphin. You got that Zoombaz print. Straight out of Africa. With the design. Look at that little tag right there. Yeah, that says Zoombaz on it. So this is fire. I would throw this on ahead, but this sweatband definitely has gotten a little bit rough, rugged, and wild. That's some authentic vintage head sweat if I've ever seen it. That's a firecracker. Dude, every time I do these unboxings, I just want to thank myself for smart buying decisions. Except we have a couple of ignorant buying decisions that I'm gonna get into at the end of this video that cost me about 500 bucks. So yeah, if you guys thought about clicking off this early, let me just tell you, it ain't happening. I already hooked you in. You're already watching this, so at this point, just ride out with me. Okay, so this is actually a parcel that is to my P.O. box, and we have a letter right here. That's my name, Cantu. Cantu. Oh, this is real sweet. It says, whoa, Whoa, dude, thanks. Whoa, there's stuff just jumped. Ah! Bro, it finally happened. I reached down for that card and I cut myself on the knife. Didn't break skin. That shit blunted. This is from Rowdy Mutt's Vintage. It says, yep, this is a used card. It says, Dear Mr. Cantu, how are you? My name is Alfie. That's an old name, and I've been watching your videos for a few years now. Thanks to you, I have learned so much. I too am a reseller, but even though I have some amazing pieces, I lack sales. So hopefully you can give me a shout out. Never. I sell vintage clothing and collegiate wear. I live near a big international college, so I'm able to find unique apparel from all over the States and even other countries. Thanks for being you, Alfie! Oh, yes. Straight out the UK. Wait, okay, dude, I'm trying to shout you out, but where's your handle? Oh, here it is. It's on this card. You guys, look at that. All the information you need is right freaking there. Go help out the homie and help yourself in the process. All right, so in this parcel, we have a bunch of things. Look at this. You have all these photographs by Kristen Alvarez. Unique photography, okay? Look at that, that's a typewriter in a blanket. Oh, what's that? That's a bridge right there, baby. Whoa, what? That's electronics, that's what that is. Oh, what is that? It's a forest, guys, it's a forest. And then what? Oh, it's a car in the plants. Plan 2. We got some Plan 2 videos dropping on the second channel too. You guys stay tuned for that. But shout out to homie Alfie, Big Alf Loren, you feel me? All right, so in this first aqua teal envelope, Alfie, what did you toss me? You tossed me a blank crew neck. Looking like a wall, baby. Yes, all white, freaking expo marker board status. All right, we also got what appears to be a nice little glass. I feel like I might be going on some type of, what is that called? Scavenger hunt. Scavenger hunt. All right, let's see what's up in here. Coca-Cola bottle. Okay, this is actually really freaking sick. The people who I bought this house from left some old Coke bottles too, so that's appreciated. And this was made in Gary, Indiana. You guys know all types of weird stuff goes down in Gary. All right, and then last and not least, the homie threw in, oh yes, it says shoot, football legends. You have the English football t-shirt right here, or soccer, and then, oh, you guys know, I hate a what? My guys. I hate a goofy especially. This boy is brushing the teeth of a hippo. This is a crazy pillowcase right here. Look at the whole gang. Are they on a roller coaster? It appears they are. Then you got Mickey, you got Donald, and you got Donald's little duck. Oh, baby. I don't even remember her name. What's the female duck's name? I know one of you guys will comment it, and I probably should know, but I just can't think of it right now. I can't think of it, okay? Forgive me. So, thank you, Alfie. Let's get into yet a couple more parcels. All right, so this might be another hat, but at this point, I'm gonna quit predicting what lays within these boxes and just dive in. Look at this. They even threw in all these like coupons. Money! Extreme Cantu couponing. Oh, yes. Okay, this hat is actual unadulterated fire. I do believe this is vintage and they threw it in like, is this a Kroger bag? Walmart, Arkansas. Yes, look at this. You have, actually, I don't know. This is hard to tell if it's old or new. I think it's old, bro. But you got the Pac-Man vintage snapback, or what I think is a vintage trucker hat. And the reason why I say I think it's vintage is because this tag looks super old on the inside. Look at that, on the inside right there. Hopefully it's in focus for you guys. But then this tag looks super like modern. But either way, this thing was not that expensive. And it feels and looks old, and it might just be dead stock, bruh. So this is an absolute firecracker. The vintage Pac-Man hat, or so I assume and presume. And then we got another one. This has my name written in cursive. It's from Michael Brooks. reuse the Amazon parcel, and that's what I like, okay? Oh no, nope, it's not what I like. No, they shipped a hat, another hat, in an envelope. This, my guy, you'll go for hell. You'll go for hell. You'll go to hell for this. You'll go to hell for this. What is this?
What the fuck was that?
What is this, bro? This looks like a ham sandwich that got ran over by the school bus. And then I'm supposed to eat it. I'm supposed to really put this on head. And this is one of the hardest hats I've gotten. This is why I need to unbox things in a timely manner so I can leave these bad reviews. Bruh, this thing is like a slam cake. This is like a pancake that was just slammed on a table on the skillet. But I'll reveal it. You have the Carson and Barnes Circus Vintage hat. This is hands down one of the hardest hats that I've bought in, and it's even crumbling asbestos on my hands. I don't know if you guys can see the little Salt Bay particles. Regardless, man, aside from being some nice flavor to add to any meal, this is just a hard freaking hat. But unfortunately, the person disgraced it and crushed it, which is so sad to me. So sad. But it's a hard hat. What am I gonna do? What I'm gonna do? All right, and the last hat we're gonna unbox today, because I did not intend for this just to be a hat unboxing, but that's what it's turned into. So that's what it's gonna be until I reveal these ignorant purchases. We're gonna get one more. We're gonna get one more out of here. All right, so what we have in here. Oh, why am I getting all the fire hats today, bro? Where was this heat the last unboxing? You got the Morton Salt. Very appropriate because I'm salty about that last hat. Snap back up in here. It says when it rains, it pours. It pours sodium. It puts sodium on. This hat is so fire, and it's in a nice, clean, dark, wavy navy. Man, this thing is perfect. Little bad chick with the pink umbrella. Little baddie. Actually, this looks like an underage person, so I'm not gonna go there.
Tripping.
Now this, my friends, is what I wanted to get into, and this is me dropping about 500 bucks on plushes. Plushes. Tripping? Yes. Wait for it. So this first purchase I got years ago. Years ago, I think in 2018, 2017, I went to the Takashi Murakami exhibit. This is like the most hypebeast thing I've ever purchased. It is the brand new, in the bag, Takashi Murakami flower pillow. And I will admit, I was looking to get some bootleg ones because this ran me $210. Bruh, do I regret buying this? Yeah, not at all. Why? Bruh, it's a piece of art. It's cool, man. You got the zanned out sleepy, don't do drugs. The sleepy, you got the sleepy flower, and then you got the it's lit flower on this side. Jesus Christ. This thing is so soft. It's authentic. I felt like at the time I wanted to support the artist even though he already is a millionaire. But regardless, I just wanted the quality, the nice touch. Maybe I should buy a fake one of these and just do a side-by-side comparison to see if I actually am an idiot. And look at that. Look at that right there. Hey, focus. Get off my face. That's authentic. That's authentic, no gimmick, daddy. So yeah, super cool pillow. It'll look good. A lot of people have these. A lot of people bust nuts to Murakami like he's the greatest artist of all time. You guys know me, JC Leyendecker. That's my favorite artist. Look him up, or at least one of them. And then I grabbed another Murakami piece at Complex Con last year, or actually now, it might have been the year before last. Look at that. Boom! Big crazy bear. That Ursa, baby. That Ursa. This is the Complex Con exclusive. It's like in the aqua camo. This is like Bro, what is that planet on Avatar called, bro? It's like if I'm on that planet, this would definitely be a camo that's appropriate for the occasion. You have the shark tooth grill in mouth. You have the nice eyelashes. And I think this was like 140 or 200. I don't remember. I think they're going for 150 now, so it might have been less. But I think it is, because it's not all like fleeced out. That's not even fleece. That's like a fur from a rare creature. But I want to shout out the homie Drew, who did hook it up with this. This was the pillow that was on display. I wish, you know, Croc gang. I wish I would have got the Murakami Crocs. On God, on me, on my mama. I wish I would have got those. But yes, I spent like $400 maybe on plushes to have the couch looking lit. Speaking of which, I did this unboxing to clear out these packages because I actually am redoing this room this week, so you guys can finally see some interior decor. There's something in my nose, feel like I'm about to sneeze. And I finally want to redo some rooms so that way I have a space to make art in, which you guys have been asking for. And I just haven't dedicated creating a space just to do that in. So it's been like a year since I did any art, and that's horrible. That's horrendous. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Live the dream, eat that ice cream. Check out thriftheavenvintage.com. It's the best way to support me and to grab some vintage gear for the low. I don't charge a lot, at least by my own presumptions. Shipping is priority on pretty much everything, and you guys get stickers unless you ordered last month because I ran out. But we got the stickers that already are coming in, so you get free stickers. You get fast ass shipping. So yeah, man, fuck with your boy, thriftheavenvintage.com. And just keep watching these videos, click subscribe, turn on notifications, do all that, like the video, and stay tuned for some more. I love you, whore. Peace! I didn't mean that. You're classy.
Killing these songs, leaving a bloody life I roost to. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get used to.